We can laugh, ha-ha. We can sing, la-la-la-la. We can make anything. Hold my hand, make a magical land.
When let us get together, we go alakazam.
We can run, we can slide, we can hide in a box. Are you ready for some fun with the Alphablocks? Alphablocks!
I really love my rose.
Wow! Wonderful! What is it?
It's a really rare rose. Right, I'll return soon.
Oh, it's wilting! It needs water!
Tears? Everything okay?
Weeping's not working. There's no water for ours rose. A well! The well is dry. Wait!
Wet! Terrific!
Water! Now I can water the rose before R gets back. Whoa!
No, not good.
Crumbs! Can we help?
Yes, we
Can! Wow! A watering can! Why am I wet? A leak! Mustn't waste the water!
It looks unhappy.
It wants water! What do I do now? Poor plant. Come on. Cup! Wow! Wonderful! Full of water! Way too weighty! Is it ill?
More trouble?
It needs water! I know. We can't lift it, but we can. Tip! Whoa!
Tip-top tipping.
Impressive. Wonderful! Whoa! Too much water! I'll get help. Oh! We heard you need help. Oh! Hot! It worked! Hooray! Hey!
Dot. A dot? Oh, dear.
What will R say?
My rose! I really love my rose.
Why?
It's not just a really rare rose now. It's a really rare red rose. Oh, thanks, W.
Well, You're welcome.
Yay! Wonderful!